Hey guys! On this episode of Researching Nature, we're going to be looking at the freshwater ecosystem.
We're here at Murphy Taylor Lake and we'll be studying the ecosystem and all its natural, environmental aspects of the lake.
A freshwater biome is a body of water that contains less than 1% of salt concentration. Only about 3% of the Earth is covered with fresh water. The precipitation in the freshwater biome is 10 to 80 inches per year, and the temperature during the summertime is 65 to 75 Fahrenheit, and in the winter 35 to 45 Fahrenheit. In this freshwater biome, there are many types of soil. One type of soil is clay. Clay, they bind together, and when they bind together, they hold a great amount of water. Silt is another type of soil. They also bind together like clay, but they stay soft when it dries out too. The water drains through the silt, but it still contains some moisture. It is the most desirable type of soil because it helps the plants grow, and it contains many nutrients and moisture. Another type is sand. Sand is loosely packed, and it allows water and air to circulate through it, but does not retain a lot of water like the other type of soil. It also does not retain a lot of moisture and nutrients, but it is mostly commonly found in mostly all freshwater biomes. Now, an estuary is where freshwater and saltwater meet. Typically, when at a river's end and it meets the sea. It is the most productive ecosystem out there. Animals rely on them for food, places to breed, and it helps with their migration.
Economic impact of a freshwater ecosystem is very great. First of all, it can supply the drinking water for a great amount of people. This is very important, especially in places such as the Middle East where drinking water is so scarce. A freshwater ecosystem is very important and significant for the population. The second impact of it is fishing. It can provide food for a lot of people. For example, people that live around in villages around a river or like a lake, they can fish to feed their families, which is extremely important.
Another impact of the freshwater biome is the environmental effects. Freshwater is often impacted by humans through pollution. Humans dump waste into the freshwater, dirtying the water, creating pollution, which in effect harms the animals. Also, freshwater biome habitats are also often destroyed by dams and construction. Additionally, freshwater biomes and freshwater is used as drinking water for cities. This ends up drying up the lakes and estuaries and streams, causing habitats to be destroyed and animals dying. As you can see, there's pollution in the water. Many lakes and freshwater biomes are destroyed because of this pollution, which harms the animals and plants around. Oh look, there's another piece of plastic. We have to do our part in the world to make sure our fresh